Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to take a picture of your documents. Here are my pretend documents or worksheets that I just took the time to finish. We're going to open our iPad into we want the Genius Scan app. I already have that downloaded here. It looks like this in orange. If you do not have that downloaded, then you just need to go to the self-service store. It'll bring you to this home page. Across the bottom, press search, and we're just going to type in Genius for Genius Scan. It pops up there at the top. If you already have it, it'll say reinstall, so go look on your home page, maybe in a folder if it's hidden, which is what I have. But if not, it'll just say install. You'll click on that, and then it'll come in here to your home screen. So we're going to open up Genius Scan. Here you'll see all the documents that you've already scanned, and this orange plus at the bottom is to take a new one. So we're going to click on this, and then here it says scan from camera, import photos, or import files. So I'm just going to take this just like it's a camera instead of using my camera app. And then I'm just going to hover over on top of my document. You'll see that it rotates with my iPad as I rotate my iPad. That little camera button changes. I'm just going to hover over this, and as soon as it detects a document, I'll put this more in the center, it's going to turn orange saying I found a document. And you're going to click on that picture, try and get it to be orange when you're taking it. And then as soon as I take it, it says, oh, you've taken one, and I have one stored in. Do you want to take any more? So now I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to just show rotating it and taking that this way. Wait for it to detect that in orange. Sometimes it doesn't see the orange right away. That's okay. You can still take it, and we can change it later. And now it's asking, do I want to take any more? And because I only have the two and I'm good to go, I'm going to press the done above. And now it's going to show me there's my first one and my second. And you'll see that one is up and down, the other way is sideways. So first thing I want to do is I can press this little edit. Kind of looks like a little magician's wand because it is kind of magical there in the bottom corner. Press that, and that is where I can go to filters and change it. So say I wanted to see the color of that one, I can do that there. I could have it just be that regular photo that it was, or have 0 filters. For maybe a math worksheet, you might want to just leave it as the black and white, but I'm going to put it as color. You can change the sizes. I want it to be letter, edit. I can recrop this. So that's what I was saying about that orange, is I could just drag this. If this is my actual document, that's all I want. That way, if you have mess around your desk, it doesn't really matter because we can just take that part out. I have my document there in orange. I'm going to press done. And now you'll see that it really, really cleans that up. So that one's good, and I'm going to swipe to the side, and there's my second one. You'll notice that it's sideways, so I want to turn it back the right way. I want the color to be on there, so I'm going to say maybe photo, because that looks a little bit nicer. And then I'm going to recrop it. So, oh, look at that. It already detected that one really nicely, and I'm going to press done. And you'll see that it kind of straightened it out, took off maybe some shadows. If I went back here to filters and just said color, it takes away any of those shadows. So if you took it late at night and there was a shadow of maybe your phone over your document, this will help clear that. So then the last thing that we want to do on here to change it is click on that title at the top with that little pencil, and we're going to rename it. So I'm just going to call this one Testing Scan. And I'm going to click rename. And there you can see the title is the correct way. Once I press this little back arrow, I can go and see that there's my testing scan. And then in the far, far, far right corner is this teeny little squareo. And there you can see it's auto put in as a PDF. And I'm gonna click, I wanna export this to another app. I forgot to mention that you can see both pages here if you just swipe. So back to that squareo, other apps. And right here is, you can go to your Schoology app. And if you don't see that white Schoology app, which is the one that's the best to import a document, a PDF this way, the maroon app just doesn't behave as nicely. You can click this ... more and scroll to the bottom till you see your Schoology app. So then you click on Schoology and it'll bring you into there logged in, and you can go right here to submitting it to your classes. Okay, I hope this helps.